Now, if you have to buy a pen and that pen costs rupees 10, very easy. Just go to the shop, give rupees 10 and buy the pen. But sometimes, if you have to buy, let us say, 6 notebooks, and each notebook costs rupees 15, so you will not give shopkeeper 15 rupees 6 times. You won't do that. In that case, what will you do? Think, come on. You will add 15 rupees 6 times, 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. No. Repeated addition, we all know, is multiplication. Today, in this video, I'm going to teach two different methods of multiplying numbers. Come, let us learn them.
Today, children, we are going to do multiplication. And while doing multiplication, we will follow two methods. First of all, I will take a 3-digit number and multiply it by a 1-digit number. So 235 multiplied by 4. Now I will multiply 4 by 5, 3 and 2 one by one. 5 fours are 20. 2 is carryover and 0 comes here. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 1 and 4 will come here. 4 twos are 8 and 1 is 9. So the answer is 940. Now children, the expanded form of 235 is 200 plus 30 plus 5. So there are 3 parts of the expanded form. So we will make 3 columns like this. And we have to multiply 235 by 4. 4 we will write here. Row we have made 1. This is one row since the 4 is 1-digit number. And there are 3 columns because there are 3 parts, or a 3-digit number is there. When you expand it, we have 3 parts, 200 plus 30 plus 5. Now we will fill up these boxes, we will multiply, and while multiplying, we will multiply the topmost number with the leftmost number. This is the rule of multiplying. So 2 fours are 8 and these 2 zeros will come at the back. So 200 into 4 is 800. Now 3 fours are is 12 and this 1 0 will come at the back. So 30 fours are is 120. In this box, 5 will be multiplied by 4. 5 fours are is 20. Now, for getting the answer, we have to add 800 plus 120 plus 20. This is equal to 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 0 plus 2 plus 2 gives me 4. Now 8 plus 1 gives me 9. So here also we got 940 and here also we got 940. This method is called box multiplication. And in this we have to see if a 3-digit number is multiplied by 1 digit. So we will have 3 columns, 1, 2 and 3. And we will have only one row because there is only one digit 4 with which we have to multiply. Okay, now I am going to take a 2-digit number and I will multiply it by another 2-digit number. 46 multiplied by 52. Now the expanded form of 46 is 40 plus 6 and that of 52 is 50 plus 2. So children, 2-digit number is getting multiplied by 2-digit number. So we will make 2 rows and 2 columns. We have made 2 rows and we will make 2 columns. I will write 40 here plus 6 here, 46, 50 here plus 2 here, and we have to multiply it. Now to fill up this box, we will multiply the topmost number with the leftmost number. So 5 fours is 20 and this 0 and this 0 will come at the back. So 2 zeros. So 50 into 40 is 2000. To fill up this box, we will take the topmost number and multiply it with the leftmost number. So 50 multiplied by 6. 5 6 is 30 and this 1 0 will come at the back. So 56 is 300. Now to fill up this box, we will multiply the topmost number with the leftmost number. 4 twos is 8 and 1 0 will come at the back because of this 0. So 42 is 80. Now we have to fill up this box. 6, we will multiply the topmost number with the leftmost number. See, this is the topmost number of the box and this is the leftmost number. 6 twos are 12. Now, after this, we will add these two numbers and write here. 2000 plus 80 gives us 2080. We will add these two numbers and write it here. 300 plus 12 gives me 312. Now we have to add these two numbers. 0 plus 2 will give me 2. 8 plus 1 will give me 9. 3 plus 0 will give me 3 and this 2 will come here. So the answer is 2392. Now we are going to multiply 46 and 52 by your most favorite method. First of all, I will multiply 2 with 46. 6 2s is 12, 2, 1 carry over. 4 2s are 8 and 1, 9. Now we have to multiply 50, not 5 beta. We have to multiply 50. Why we have to multiply 50? Because the expanded form of 52 is 50 plus 2. We have already multiplied by 2. We have to now multiply by 50. So because of this 0, we will put a 0 here and a cross in it. Now we will multiply by 5. We will cut this carryover. 6 5s are 30. 3 here and 0 here. 5 4s are 20 and 3 23. Now we have to add this up. This gives me 2, 9, 3 and 2. So 2392. So children, both the ways are correct, but you should know how to do both the methods. Okay, now let me show you multiplication of 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. 623 multiplied by 42. Now, children's the expanded form of 623 is equal to 600 plus 20 plus 3. And the expanded form of 42 is 40 plus 2. So in the box, we are going to have 3 columns and 2 rows. Okay. These are the 2 rows and these are the 3 columns. So I will write here 600 plus 20 plus 3, and here we will write 40 plus 2, and we have to multiply. To fill up this box, we will take the topmost number and we will multiply it by the leftmost number. 6 4s are 24. And this 0, this 0 and this 0. There should be 3 zeros at the back. So 600 multiplied by 40 is 24,000. Now we have to fill up this box. So we will take the topmost number and multiply it by the leftmost number. 4 2s is 8. And this 0 and this 0 will come at the back. So 40 20s is 800. Now we have to fill up this box. The topmost number multiplied by the leftmost number. 4 3s is 12. And this 0 will come here at the back. So 43s is 120. Now we have to fill up this box. 6 2s is 12 and these 2 zeros will come at the back. Now we have to fill up this box. Topmost multiplied by leftmost. 22 is 40. Now we have to fill up this box. Topmost multiplied by leftmost. 3 2s is 6. Now children, I am going to add these two numbers and write the answer over here. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2. Now I'm going to add these two numbers and write the answer here. And the answer is 840. Now I will add these two numbers and write the answer here. And the answer is 126. Now I have to add this number and this number. Now 0 plus 0 plus 6 will give me 6. This 0 plus 4 plus 2 will give me 6. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 here and 1 carry over. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 2. So the answer is 26,166. Now let us do the same calculation by your favorite method. 623 multiplied by 42. Now first I will multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. Now I have to multiply by 40. I don't have to just multiply it by 4 beta. Actually, the expanded form of 42 is 40 plus 2. With 2 I have already multiplied. Now I have to multiply by 40. So I have to take care of this 0. So I will put a 0 here and a cross here. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry over, 2 here, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 6 4s are 24. Now I am going to add this up. 6, 4 and 2 is 6, 9 and 2 is 11, 1 carry over, 4 5 6, 2. So again children, the answer is the same because methods are different but the question is the same. So the answers are the same for both of them. So children, for multiplication it is very important to learn multiplication tables. So I request all of you to revise the tables daily so that your multiplication should be correct. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.